I'm taking the short summer course on screenwriting.
So from day one, we've just been straight into making films, making short projects, doing very intense kind of camera acting technique classes.
I'm gonna be honest, I was very exhausted the first days and weeks, but exhausted in an amazing way.
How to move in front of the camera, we learned how to breathe properly, how to prepare yourself for a shoot, and how to be comfortable, how to talk to people, and self-awareness, which is really important. And we got to meet a lot of different people.
Like after being here, there's a lot of questions and a lot of curiosities that I want to develop.
I also got a bit more confident in my English skills and also like the way I talk.
And I absolutely fell in love with it. I love the school, I love the people here. And yet you just be open to new things and just try it out.